Terrorists win. Very nice. Get it, baby.
Hi, I'm going to show you how to make CS2 animations. So, first, check if you have at least 24 gigabytes of RAM. After that, go into Steam, right-click Counter-Strike 2, go into Properties, go into DLC, and check this box where it says Counter-Strike 2 Workshop Tools. After that, go into General, and the selected launch option, change it to Ask when starting game. So, if you start Counter-Strike 2 Workshop Tools, you can make an add-on, click on Create New Add-on, name it whatever you want, and then double-click it. So now, you want to find Source FilmMaker here. Set the frame rate to 48, name the session whatever you want again, and press Create. After that, you go to the left, click on this cross, create animation set for a new model, but the player models are actually hidden by default, so we have to enable them. You will have to change that gameinfo.gi file each time you want to play Source FilmMaker or Counter-Strike 2, so I would rather make you use my program that does this automatically, but you don't have to use my program. Close everything. Go into this link, it will be down in the description, and click on S2FM handler.zip. Go into your downloads, place this zip wherever you want, then right click, extract the folder, go into it, again, find the S2FM handler, go into bin, go into debug, and right click S2FM handler.exe. Go into more options and search for create an icon. And you have an icon that you can put onto the desktop of yours. You can right click it and then you can go into properties, you can go into icons and change the icon whatever you want. And then press apply. So this is its icon now and you can rename it. So open it. It's going to tell you it's a virus. It's my program and you just seen me download it. So you want to press continue there and then run anyways. So the setup is going to take you maximum of 30 seconds so it can find the workshop tools. And now this had to open. If we go back into our add-on, yeah, it's set up ran successfully. We can already see player models are back. So if we go back to S2FM, now you want to click on recent session because you have already created one. Now go into the primary viewport, right click, set session map. I'm going to search for Mirage. The underscore mirage.vmap is the Mirage we are searching for. Click on camera 1, so it's your work camera. Hold down right click and you can move with WASD and with shift. So, and with scroll you can zoom, you can change the fob. So, now go into this cross, search for create animation set for new model, and you can already see some models are here. I want this model. Oh, it spawned in the camera spawn section because it spawns in cameras if you didn't change it. Just so you can see the models are working. If this does not come up, then go into your hidden icons on your tray, double click the S2FM, and then you can set the path manually or run auto find again. So if you click set path manually, this txt will open. You have to go into Steam, right click Counter-Strike 2, properties, go into installed files, go into browse, and then copy this path on top, inside. And this will surely make it work.